This new airdrop is making waves right now, Agent 301, and this is backed by the Dogs team. In recent time, just about a week ago, the user have increased dramatically to 11 million monthly users. Look at it here on Telegram. This is very important. And if you've not participated in this very airdrop, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. It will be the first link. Check it out and participate right now. In this video, I'll be going through this very airdrop and what you need to do to get more points. There is this token called Moon Whale, that you need to get into your portfolio for massive return in the heat of the bull market. Look at it here on Crypto Bubbles. It has done 54% this very week of trading. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Look at Well on CoinMarketCap. It is ranked number 2,872 on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of 70.53 million. This is very significant. This is a little market cap, 70 million, not big, but this very token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. This very token have their blockchain, which is the Moonbeam, and recently they just added the base network, and this is amazing. Now, here is the deal. There is this very rumor out there that Coinbase have approved this very listing on their platform. And when that show up for trading, this is going to skyrocket this very coin all the way to the upside. And the reason is because Coinbase is one of the major exchanges that we have in the crypto space. And Well have just 5 billion total supply, 2.77 billion circulating supply right now. Now, you don't need to worry about the other supply because it's locked and the lock period is significant. Okay, this token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. If you look at Crypto Bubbles, 54.6% just in 1 week addition. If you look at this is 74 for UX Link, which is also a layer 1. Look at Bubble, which is a meme token. Mother is a meme token. Andy is a meme token. All of these other ones are meme token, but Well is a layer 1 crypto. If you read the white paper right at this very point, you will know a little bit more about Well. The most important thing right here also is the network. Well is built on 3 different networks. The first one is a base network, and the second one right here is Optimism. The next one is Moonbeam, which is their own blockchain. This is crazy, guys. It's going to skyrocket in the heat of the bull market. If you take a look at the chart, which is the trading view chart, look at it, market pump all the way from here to the upside just in 1 week plus. If you take the measure tool and you measure from this very point all the way to this very area, it is covered that the market has moved significantly, about 98.22% in just 1 week plus. This is a 100% increase. That means if you invested in Well around this very area in the past, that is this very point when the market has not moved, and then market move upward with $100, you should make 100% of that very amount. If you invest $1,000, you should make 100% of that very money right now. That is 1x already on this very coin. I am betting hard on this very coin. Add Well to your portfolio. Throw in 20 bucks, 50 bucks right in. It's a good deal in the heat of the bull market, guys. Please add this to your portfolio. I discover on the 1 week chart, market dump all the way right down. If you look at this 1 week chart right at this very point, market dump from this very point as other crypto were dumping as well, from this point down right here. And right now is the best time to buy, and the reason is because market approach this level of significant support right here, and the best time to buy is right now because from here market is going to move all the way to the upside. Not only that, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, the stochastic RSI is coming out of the oversold condition gradually. it has not completely crossed the 20% line right here. So when it crosses, it's going to have a significant pump all the way to the upside. Remember, this is the 1 week chart. Market is about to move upward. Therefore, this is the best time to get well into your portfolio right from the price where it is right now of 0.0251. Get some well into your portfolio in the heat of the bull market. Is going to turn out to be a good token that you hold throughout the bull market. Before I proceed in this video, one thing to note about airdrop is that not all airdrop are legit airdrop, okay? And some airdrop can make you huge amount of money, some will make you very little money. A lot of persons have become super rich using airdrop, just crypto airdrop, and participation, especially in this era of play to earn. This is very important so that when you are doing airdrop, you have it at the back of your mind that the team may not follow the plan, okay? So if they don't follow the plan, then that means your expectation will be definitely be cut short. So what I expect of everyone do is you do airdrop at your leisure and also take it very, very serious, because that can also be a point of turnaround in your life if you are looking to become a six-figure person. So this is very important before you participate in any airdrop. And for this very airdrop agent 301, it uses a bot just like every other airdrop does on Telegram. And one thing you need to note about the features is it has tax and participation. Basically, this airdrop utilizes the number of messages that you have sent on Telegram. If you look at my score right here, this is my own personal dashboard. This is 123.3K scores. Now, this is not the number of messages I've sent on Telegram since I joined, but if I click on this view score, it will take me to this very page where you see this message. That is awesome. Since signing up for Telegram, you have sent 38.3K messages. This is the messages I have sent on Telegram since I signed up for Telegram years ago. And if I click on this continue, you see you have a gift for your activity. We give you 38.325 agent points, okay, from the messages I have sent on Telegram since I signed up. And this is what this very airdrop is all about. This is the basics of the airdrop. Now, if you just signed up on Telegram maybe a few years ago or few months ago, you can also boost your point. That is not a challenge, okay? And if I click on continue right here, it will take me back to this very area. And the next feature here is leaders. If I click on this leader, you see leaderboard. Now we have 7.1 million agents, and that is great. So you can become a king by buying an AP. Okay, so this AP are points that you can actually use your money to buy on this very airdrop. Like I said, this airdrop does not cost you anything, but if you want to boost your score, you can actually become a king by clicking on this become a king option. And if you don't bother this, forget about it and focus on the tax right at this very point. So the next features is the tax. Perform this tax, watch the video, publish a story, invite friends, at least 3 friends to get 15 AP, and then join the community, boost your channel. Okay, so if you boost your channel, if you have a channel on Telegram, this can also give you 2,500 AP. Follow them on X, follow them on YouTube, and also other activities right here that you can do to boost your AP. This is very important by performing all of these tasks. And the last one is invite your friend. So if you invite your friend, the more friends you invite, you will get a lot more AP. The link to this airdrop is the first link in the description of this very video. Check it out and join right now. And the last thing here is the wheel. So you can actually wheel and then get a commission. Okay, so this is very important. These are the features that you can see right here on this very airdrop agents 301. Now, one thing very important about this airdrop is that I believe one way or the other, this airdrop is linked to the dogs team, and we need to take it serious. Do it at your leisure, and you are going to get some point from the messages you've sent on Telegram since you signed up. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates. And if you've not joined Agent 301 Airdrop, I will leave the link in the description of this video, and that will be the first link. Join right away. The description of this video have the Telegram link. It is absolutely free. Join as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.